Looks like the diversion worked. The truck should be here any moment. Let's get to work. Set up the EMP to stop the truck in its tracks. The clock's ticking. We have about 90 seconds until the transport's here. Set up the EMP and make sure no civs escape, or we're done before we even get started.
Get down! Don't move!
Okay, now we wait.
Careful!
Ready now. The driver will activate the alarm as soon as he's figured out something's wrong. That's what we call a hostile takeover. Okay, hook up the remote steering device to the truck. That will give us access to the vehicle's controls. I'm in. This'll take a second. They have security in place to prevent this sort of thing. More cops on the way. They're in 30 seconds. Don't worry about the driver. He's trained to stay in the truck and won't bother us. They've got zappers! Almost got it! And... Yahtzee! Okay, let's get this truck to where we want it. We're gonna move the truck to the ramp on the other side of the construction site. This fucker's hard to crack, but there's a weakness on the underside. You need to stay close to the truck, or I'll lose connection and the truck will stop. And we're on. Cops are bringing in naders. Watch the hostages. Rescue units have arrived.
Zappers no more!
The shield deflected the blast!
Snipers spotted!
We're almost there.
They brought in the goddamn shield! I got rid of the goddamn shield! Shield's dead!
Somebody help Wolf.
Killed the goddamn zapper!
All right. This is a smooth ride. Keep fending off the cops so they don't fuck things up. Be careful. They're deploying cloakers.
Shield! I got rid of the goddamn shield!
Dozer's coming. Perfect position. Now, let's open this thing.
Killed the goddamn tank!
These vehicles are cutting edge in armored transport, but nothing's entirely secure. The underbelly is this beast's weakness. Sending in the weapon now. Almost there.
I
Get
killed
those
the fucking
cables
sniper.
exposed. There, it's open. Now get into the truck and grab the loot.
Get in!
Throw the bags into the loot chute. We have people standing by to secure them.
I killed the fucking cloaker. Zappers no more.
One bag and counting. That's 3 bags.
Snipers spotted.
That's 5. That's 7.
No sniping!
1 left. That's all of it. Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Move down along the bridge.
This way.
Quick, down the scaffolding.
The getaway's
There.
there.
Strap yourselves in and rappel down to the ground.
Yeah, we made it.
Got spare armor here!
That was inspiring. Perfectly executed. And those rare earth elements will give us a lot of cash.